A proprietor of Showplace, a video store, has estimated that the rental price P in dollars of pre-recorded DVDs is related to the quantity X in thousands rented per day by the demand equation X equals 2/3 times the square root of 36 minus P squared, with 0 being less than or equal to P, which is less than or equal to 6. Currently, the rental price is $2 a disc. Is the demand elastic or inelastic at this rental price?
So for problem A, you have your equation X equals 2/3 times 30 times the square root of 36 minus P squared. And it asks you to find if it's elastic or inelastic. So for this equation, you're going to use E equals dx over dp times p over x. So to plug that in, it would look like negative 2p over 3 times the square root of 36 minus p squared times p over 2/3 times the square root 36 minus p squared. You would then simplify that to be negative p squared over 36 minus p squared. You would then plug in for p, which would be 2, the original cost for the disc. So that would then get you negative 2 squared over 36 minus 2 squared, which would then equal negative 1/8. So, since E is less than 0, it is inelastic.
And question B is, if the rental price is increased, will the revenue increase or decrease?
So in this scenario, you would use R equals PX. So that would then be R equals P, which is the price, so 2/3 P times the square root of 36 minus P squared. You'd find then the derivative of R. So the derivative of R would be negative 4 times P squared minus 18 over 3 times the square root of 36 minus P squared. So since R prime is negative, since R prime is negative, P is increased. And revenue is decreased. And this is how you do problem 37 and 3.4 parts A and B.